Cows Roadstead and Regatta Week.
Glorious Goodwood, and what a picture it makes, nestling in the beautiful Sussex Downs. Holiday crowds from the coast come to take a punter's chance and swarm over the famous Trundle Hill to watch the paddock where the 22 horses who are to run for the Stewards Cup parade in the ring. No grey toppers at Goodwood. Holiday attire is the order of the day. Off to a good start, the field gets away for the 6-furlong sprint in the big race of the day. In a racing finish, Figaro wins a popular victory for his owner, Mr. Jack Leach.
Remember Ypres, Wipers as it was, city of desolation.